Hello, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Steve Gearhart, and welcome to the UNAGI Observer.
And they killed some guy, and then they killed another guy, and then they stole some drugs, and then they snuck into some guy's room and killed him while he slept. Then they killed a guy, then they had premarital sex, then they killed a guy, then I killed a woman that was fighting for the steak, and then, yes, I killed another guy, and then I stole some more drugs, and then I got drunk, then I had some more sex, and then I killed another guy, 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 and then I killed another guy.
Kill the bass player, kill both bass players.